Hi and welcome in this new video. Today I want to share with you how I track my expenses because I have my company, but I track my expenses for business and personal in different ways. Today I am here to share with you my personal side of expenses that probably you have too when you go to the market, when you pay the ticket for the parking, when you buy some drink. You should know how much money you spend every month, and the important thing is where you spend your money. To track my expenses, I use a incredible useful application. It's called Money Lover. You can find it on Play Store or App Store, and I use this pretty much every day. Now I will show you on my phone how it works.
So, welcome in my phone. Now we go to search the application. We can go simply on the App Store, but I already have the app, and the app is this one, Money Lover, the green one. We open, and then we can have the month, the last month, the month that we want. We add, we can add translation, for example. We had some money. Now it's in Italian, the platform, but it has more languages. Here you can choose the wallet. You can choose the date that you spend that money. For example, I spent 60 Swiss francs. It's like dollars. I chose my category on guess, and then I can add a note. For example, for London trip. Then I save, and I have here my expenses for the month. Here I track just the money that goes out. I don't write when I get money. It's that's why the number of the top is negative, because I only write my expenses. So now you have your track. On the top you can see the summary of your expenses, and then you can scroll at the bottom and see exactly every expenses. If you click on overview here, you can see the graphic. For example, this you can see how I spent my money for the car, drinking, games, friends, and you can see exactly how much money I spent in a period of time.
So this is how I track my expenses, and I also advise to you to track the expenses in this way so you know exactly where your money goes and how much money you spend every month. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you find interesting this method, and why not start today to track your expenses and see how much money you spend. At the end of the month, you will be shocked how much money you wasted in maybe drinking or in stupid things. See you in the next video.